Welcome to English Grammar and Writing Skills course of Edupom EdTech. You're watching the video with Manisha Bedi and the topic for the video is the questions related to synonyms and antonyms. In the previous video, I've already talked about the concepts related to synonyms and antonyms. Today we are going to talk about the questions. Okay, we are going to talk about the questions related to synonyms and antonyms. Let's talk about the first question. Okay, it can be like write the synonym for the word spurious. Spurious. That is S-P-U-R-I-O-U-S, spurious. Okay, now you have to write the synonym. So I already talked about the trick that synonym starts from the letter S. So always remember they are talking about the similar meaning related to the word spurious. Okay. Now what are the similar meaning? Similar meanings are phony and bogus. Okay. Or specious. Now I have provided with 3 meanings. Why? Because mostly in the question they will either ask you one meaning or 2 meaning, not more than that. Usually they don't ask more than 2 meanings. Okay, so in that case try to emphasize and try to remember 3 meanings, so that in case even if you forget one word, you will at least have 2 more options. Okay, it works just like in Hindi you used to read about the meanings, na? Vilom shabd. Okay, that is okay. Synonyms and antonyms, alom and vilom. Okay, now alom shabd was synonyms and vilom was antonyms, opposite one. Now let's talk about the second question. They can ask you like write the antonyms for the word, let's say knife. Okay, so antonyms, they are asking the opposite meaning. Always try to read out the question very carefully. Try to seek out that either they have used synonyms or antonyms, or have they complied both synonyms and antonyms and they're asking the meaning respectively, or even if they're providing you with some of the options. Mostly they provide you with the options and you have to choose out the correct meaning. Okay, why I am trying to give you these type of questions? Because this type of questions may be asked in reading comprehension, where I have already logged the video, where I have already uploaded a video relating reading comprehension, where the questions like synonyms and antonyms for a particular word given in the mentioned in the paras, okay, mentioned in the passage, is asked to you. So that is why I emphasize on that. Try to remember, try to learn at least 5 words each day. Okay, 5 words, make the target of 5 words each day with the synonyms and antonyms. It will actually help you to grow your vocabs, and also it will help you, it won't put you with much burden, and it will be really fascinating when you will come across through new words. Okay, so now let's get back to our second question, that is write the antonyms. Antonyms means opposite for the word knife. Now what is the opposite for the word knife? That is deny or expected. Okay, now comes the third question or third type of question. They can either comply both of them, like write the synonym and antonym for the word. For example, let it be any word. It can be, for example, knife, it can be wholesome or wigged. Okay, so they can use words like this and they can put respectively. So you'll have to choose, or you'll have to answer out the meanings of each word respectively. Okay, now there can be optional questions. There can be questions which contain options and you have to choose the correct one out of it. Like if they say that choose the synonym for the word virtuous. Now in this case you are provided with the options like wholesome, pronounce, wigged, and crave. So in this case, you have to choose out synonyms from these four options where they have provided you with wholesome, renounce, wit or crave. Okay, so virtuous shares the meaning with wholesome. Okay, wholesome and virtuous both are same things. Now the second question can be, choose the antonym for the word jest. And again they are going to provide you with the options where it would be like nadir, for example, passive, ignorant or intolerant. So in this case you have to choose the antonym for the word jest, that is passive. Okay, so passive is the antonym for this word. Now fifth question can be that they can comprise both of them, like they can say that choose the synonym and antonym for the word virtuous and jest respectively, and they will provide with two options. There will be one option and one more option in each and every options. Okay, there will be two words in each and every option, and you have to choose the correct pair. Okay, so these type of questions may be asked to you.